Hello everyone, just a quick Tuesday message to talk about the assignment, same as yesterday. You should already be familiar with how this works, cultural characteristics. You're just going to go in there, you're going to type the word. Make sure you type each of these words, play the definition, and hear it being used. That should not take you too long to get done, and that will be a free A. Let's check in. These are the questions that you'll have to do with the lecture, and what I've done to try to help you understand it just a little bit better is I've added a study guide. So these are the actual questions that are in the lecture, and if you listened yesterday, then you probably did really well because I gave you some of the answers. So let's do that again today. Most people in Latin America speak Spanish. What religion do most people in Latin America practice? Roman Catholicism. Let's see. You probably know a couple of these are just things that you probably don't even have to watch the video to know, but it's information that you need to be familiar with. So I'll give you one more. Most people in Latin America live in urban areas. So there you go. There's 3 out of the 6 questions or so. So that's at least half of them. But if you look at these questions first and then watch the lecture, you should be able to easily answer them and get an easy A. Okay? Have a good day.